Today in North Fulton, 1 in 8 seniors is not capable of affording or preparing meals for themselves. These seniors are our area's most at-risk population. They are often low income, disabled, physically frail, or socially isolated. Over the past 25 years, many of them have contacted Senior Services North Fulton for assistance. Last year, we served over 50,000 meals to 780 seniors. And we provided over 1,400 rides to help get seniors to their medical appointments. Even with all this hard work, it's just not enough. Along with growing our other programs and services, our 2 main priorities are to end senior hunger in the North Fulton community and to ensure our older adults have the transportation they need to get to every medical appointment. We found these 2 programs alone make the most measurable impact on our seniors' health and well-being. But there are more seniors in need than we have the capacity to serve. As hundreds of baby boomers turn 60 each day in Georgia, the number of seniors that struggle to get the support they need grows. Unfortunately, Senior Services North Fulton is not growing fast enough to meet this need. It's time for us to roll up our sleeves and do everything we can to make a difference in the lives of our seniors. By the year 2020, we will increase our funding to $3.5 million, deliver over 100,000 meals per year to end senior hunger in North Fulton, and grow our transportation programs to provide over 3,000 rides so no senior misses their medical appointments. How will we do it? Focus on fundraising and marketing, expand our meals and transportation programs, and provide outcome measurements to ensure our services are meeting the need in our community. After 25 years of service to our seniors, it's a new era. Senior Services North Fulton is poised and ready to make a difference. But we need you. To be successful, we need the help of the community around us. Volunteer your time, spread the word about our services, and donate. Let's join hands and do what it takes to help Senior Services North Fulton meet the needs of our senior population. Help us ensure no older adult in North Fulton goes sick or hungry again.